go today here at the shooting range. I'm taking today my CHL, the concealed handgun license, with Jim Hogue. He's my instructor today. So let's have a look inside and see what's going on.
Now, the procedures that we usually recommend here at Marksman Indoor Range is to first go to the DPS website, which can be done two ways. Directly, the website www.tx.dps.state.tx.us, or even easier, texasonline.com, which will automatically redirect you to the website you need to go to. The application online is differently priced for certain individuals. For regular civilians, average Joe off the street, the price is $142 and change. For veterans, it is $25. For seniors, it is $72. At the end of the application, it will do two things. One, it's going to give you a barcode printout. It's going to be called a checklist. You'll want to print that out. The second thing it's going to do, it's going to ask you if you'd like to go ahead and get a fingerprint appointment set up. I do recommend doing that because you'll be prepaid. It'll be a lot easier to deal with. The prepaid is $9.95 plus tax. It's going to have you fill out another document. It's going to compare your address to the list of locations in and around the Houston area. It's going to bring up a calendar and show you what available dates and times are available. Once you prepay, when you go to your appointment date, all you have to do is show your ID and the document that you printed out. You'll be prepaid. They'll bring you back. They'll do your fingerprints electronically. They'll take a picture. They will submit all of this electronically. All they're going to do is give you a receipt. So on the day of the class, which these are the remaining class dates in December, on the day of the class, you bring with you the barcode document from the Texas DPS application, the receipt from fingerprinting. If you're a veteran, you're going to want to bring in your DD-214. At the end of the class, you're going to get a CHL 100 and an envelope. You put all three of those documents, or in veterans' cases, all four of those documents in the envelope, mail it. I do recommend mailing it certified. It processes a little bit faster that way, it seems. Now, on the day of the class, you're going to have to do shooting. The shooting will be literally at this target. The distances for your shooting will be 3, 7, and 15 yards. This is exactly the course of fire that the instructor is going to ask you to do. It will be this set of instructions at the 3-yard mark, this set of instructions at the 7-yard mark, this set of instructions at the 15-yard mark. Now, one of the key things that I try to instruct people on is that between the first and second distances, the closest you'll be to the target, that's going to be 40 shots. If those 40 shots are on or in the number 8 zone, you have as good as passed. It is 175 minimum points to pass. A perfect score is 250. Usually, if someone gets outside the 8, it's at the very furthest point. But, of course, the course is really simple, and I always do absolutely recommend to practice before you go to take the class.
Okay, I want y'all to always check your guns and make sure they're empty. I want you to look at the chamber and the magazine and make sure it's empty. And then I want you to close the slide. Hold the gun full in your right hand, full in your left hand if you're left-handed. And then this hand just goes right over here. Thumbs together, always thumbs together on the same side of the gun. Never put your thumb back here. Always here. Always finger off the trigger. And that's why women shoot better than we do, because they can point better than we do. We index our target, then we put our finger on the trigger. Gun is safe. There's no bullets in the chamber. No bullet in the magazine. Gun is safe. Then at home, I can practice my trigger squeeze. And squeeze. 50 rounds right here in the center. No headshots, you only get 3 points for a headshot. If you hit out here in the 7 ring, you get 4 points. Out here 3, here nothing.
How many points you need?
250 maximum. You must shoot 70% of 250. Okay.
against illegal guns. They are just trying to have local.
Burns my house down, and I lost 20, 30 years.
90% of homicides are committed.
I'm right now here with Patrick. He's one of the students. Patrick, why are you taking the CHL class?
Well, I recently started working for Uber rideshare, and because we don't have any control over which neighborhoods we go pick up people in, some of them are a little more nefarious. I felt I needed that added layer of protection for myself in those neighborhoods, even though it's unlikely. Just being a former military member, I know the need for protection of a firearm occasionally.
Okay.
And there is the firearm line.
And there in the background we have our students shooting right now.
That's what the neighborhoods sound like that I'm talking about. They're not quite that bad, but yeah, that was the main reason why. That and Houston seems to be getting a little bit more on the dangerous side, so it's better safe than sorry type thing.
Exactly.
So,
thank you.
right.
This is the student, Glenn, and he will tell us now as well why he's taking the CSL.
A couple of years ago, my stepdad, and I lost everything. And through this tragic experience, it showed me that I really needed to protect myself, that I needed to be responsible for my destiny. So that's why I'm taking the CHL course for self-protection. Because people are not what they seem to be. People, you may think somebody is good, but trust me, they're not. So that's why I'm taking it.
Thank you for sharing that with me.
You're welcome.
Thank you. Okay, how we see it's really important that you can protect yourself. And one of the first steps is you learn how to shoot, you take the class, and whenever the bad person comes to you, you're ready for it.
As long as you verify your name and driver's license number spelled correctly,
Okay.
as well as down here, you can sign here.
Okay.
Same page twice. Thank you. And you can have thank you.
I got everything on the side. I've got a house over here by the airport.
How was it to shoot?
It was fun. It's been about 2 or 3 years, so I'm a lot rustier than what I was.
Okay. Great.
Texas Law Shield is a legal representation program in case you have to use or even threaten to pull your gun for any reason. We offer several things. We offer a complete legal defense in case you're ever arrested and have a problem. We also offer a free information line if you ever have any questions concerning firearms. And we do a lot of education and training. Through our website, we also hold seminars, workshops all over the area. It's a must, I feel, that you have if you're going to carry or own a weapon. Your legal expenses can really destroy you if you don't have a program for it.
Alright. I got my papers! I passed a CHL class and I'm really happy about that. Now I can protect myself and others legally. That was Melissa, always on the go with the CHL class. See you next time.